black, yo. Queen.
Hey babes, welcome and welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Susie. If y'all new over here, go ahead and hit the subscribe button. We do a bunch of vlogs, bunch of DIYs every Wednesday and Fridays. So go ahead and subscribe so you don't miss out on none of those. Hit the post notification button so y'all can get alerts when your girl posts. But if you're returning, welcome back. So y'all already know we like to get right into it. So y'all, I'm using this shirt as a template. Y'all know I like to use clothes. I don't use patterns. Well, I ain't gonna say I don't use them because I do sometimes when it's something new, or I just make my own or whatever. But yeah, y'all, this blue was so freaking cute. She sent me like a little inspiration picture, and you know, we just did that. So the first piece that I just went ahead and cut out was the back, and now I am cutting out the front piece. And y'all, now we're going to go in and cut out the sleeve, and I am doing this on a fold so it could be better. And as you can see, I'm just lifting it, putting it down, lifting it, putting it down, so I can know exactly how I need to do it or whatever. And as you can see, I am cutting like an inch or two away from the sleeve to give more a little seam allowance. And these are the pieces that you should have for the top. And now we're going to go ahead and attach this stuff together, going in with my blue thread. And y'all, right here I am attaching like the top shoulder pieces together, and this is going to give you like a little vest. And y'all, I do make videos for my TikTok and Instagram and all that stuff, so you see me pull out my phone. So make sure y'all follow me on all social media platforms. Help a sister out. Let's grow together. So yeah, this is what it's looking like. You're gonna do the same thing to both sides. And now right here you see me attaching the sleeve to the part that we just did. And of course, when you do everything, you want to do everything inside out. To all my beginners. And then we're just going to go ahead and pin it all the way around and sew it down. So we got one side down, and of course we're going to do the same thing to the other side. So y'all, this was my first time gathering, but I was using, I believe, like 3 yards of fabric for this. So I just feel like 3 yards is too much to gather. I'm not gonna say it's too much, but as you can see right here, you want to start off with a long piece of thread, and this is the gathering that I have. Imagine me having to do that all over, but look at this.
My own type of gathering, because gathering was like, this is 3 yards of fabric. It was like my first time gathering, and my sewing machine was not giving me a long stitch, so I did it like this, but it wasn't enough. So now I'm taking what I gathered and I'm putting that piece on top of that. Yeah, this ain't, I don't know what this is called, but I'm doing it myself because that gathering takes too long. But I wanted to show y'all what I'm doing. Like, as you can see, this one here, and then this one here, and take this one and put it on top of this one. Like that. And then you get a better ruffle right here. So yeah, that's what I'm doing.
Okay, y'all, so I finished the gathering, and as you can see, I went ahead and cut out a waistband, and we're just going to go ahead and sew that down to the skirt, like so, all the way across. And this is what you should have. And then you're gonna flip it over to close up the waistband, like so. And just go ahead and sew that down. Okay, y'all, so now that we have that all done, you want to take a pin, stick it through one side of your elastic, and feed it through the waistband part. This was super easy because it was satin material, so it went through perfectly. And now you're going to take that, once you get it all the way through, you want to take both ends and sew it together and make sure that it's secure. Go front and back on the stitch as much as you like, and then we're going to take those two areas and we're going to sew those down, all the way down, right sides together. And then we're at our last step, y'all, which was super easy, and we're just going to literally attach the top of the skirt and the shirt together, like so. Pin it together, right sides together. Everything should be inside out. And then, y'all, after we done with that, that is it. This is the final and finishing look. Let me know what y'all think. Give this video a big thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel. Follow me on all social media platforms. And yeah, let me know what y'all think. My client was super cute with the matching Tesla. Get into it. Hair's cute. Yeah, thank y'all. Love y'all. Bye.